Hello family, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and here we are like family. We discuss everything that have to do with e-commerce, arbitrage, how you can make money online, and most especially on mini importation business. So what you want to do to join our community is by smashing that subscription button to join our community. So once you smash it, you've subscribed and turn on the notification bell. So whenever I post another helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that Zion of Logistics has already posted another edifying tutorial like this, right? So, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you guys for coming back to watch our video over and over again, right? So in today's tutorial, let's quickly look at some controversials when it comes to refunding issues. I believe that most people are having issues when it comes to refund, and nobody is perfect as at when this game is concerned. Anybody at all can do a mistake, right? So, and I've had a lot of people coming to my DM asking me what to do when they are when they fall under this type of category. Now, what do I mean by this? Let me quickly explain myself, right? There was this a supplier that I was presently chatting with. Okay, so I wanted to place an order like up to maybe 15 orders from his store. So I now need a discount on all of those items. Since I'm buying from a store, I don't want to do what? I don't want to pay for multiple or double local shipping fee. I just want this guy to charge me for a local shipping fee, then help me pack all these bags in a carton, right? So during the process, I have already shoot all the necessary informations to him. He has given me a discount, right? So during the process, I now realized that something went wrong, right? I now requested for a refund. Okay, so now let me show you this. Let me click on this guy here. I want to start from this guy. It was immediately whenever you make a purchase, right? When you pay for an item, it's going to be showing here that you've already made a purchase, isn't it? Right? So if I'm to click on this guy now, it will show you everything that you've already purchased, right? So it will take nothing less than maybe 24 hours for the supplier to arrange your order and fulfill the order by sending it to the warehouse address you input, right? So this is where you are supposed to see all the payments that you've already made payment for, isn't it? So now in this case, I have to go and ask for refund for all the items that I've already bought, I've already paid for, even though the guy later gave me discount, right? But this is where the mistakes lies. Now let me click on this guy here. This is where you are going to be seeing your refund status, should in case you don't know it. Now if I'm to click here, it's going to be showing you all the details of what the transaction that you've already purchased, now that you've already make a refund for, sorry. So now these are the refunds of the ones that went successfully here. You can see it here that this guy is successful. Now these are the refunds that I've already asked for about these bags. You can see it here, and these are their dates, right? So these are their dates. I think they did a mistake there. It's supposed to be 2024, right? So now if I'm to screenshot this one here for you, this guy here, you'll see that it's quite different. This guy here, you'll see that it's quite different, that the this thing went successfully, the refund, but it now remains these two here. Let me scroll down. All right, it remains these two here. This is the two things that remain. The supplier has failed to refund this money for me, and he has been giving me different excuses. He has been complaining about his Alipay account being frozen and this and that and this and that. Now, this is a lesson I want to show you. This guy, let me just screenshot this page, then go to my Google Translator to show you something. All right, my Google Translator now. Now, this is it here, right? Now, let's start from this one, the other ones that I requested for refund for. You can see it here that it was successful. The refund was what? Was successful here. Now it now remains these two here. You can see it here. We have the first one here. This is the first one. We have the first one here, then we have the second one here. So you can see here is giving me an option for me to do what? To cancel this refund, to cancel it. So if I'm to cancel this refund now, it will simply means that I am still buying that item. Meanwhile, I don't want to buy it again. So this supplier has been trying to do what? To make me cancel the refund because he don't want to lose. And now the point now is that in some cases, if you are no longer interested in buying that item, don't bother cancelling it. If you've talked with your supplier and he's not ready to ask for that refund, just leave it. Don't go and cancel it. Don't modify anything. You know it says here that you can modify here. Don't modify it. Just leave it. When it's exactly 4 days, 4 to 5 days, 1688 management will give the seller a ultimatum days of 4 days. In some cases it might be 5 days for them to fulfill that refund. If they don't fulfill it, they will automatically take it from their wallet. Once they take it from their wallet, they will reverse it back to your Alipay. So now this is how it looks like. For those of us that don't know it, let me zoom out. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see what I was trying to do here. Now this is it here. You can see it here. They said this supplier, let me just circle it, this guy here. They said the remaining time to be agreed by this merchant is what? 1 day and what? 8 hours. So if the supplier failed to deliver this item within to refund this goods, to refund this money to my Alipay, it's going to take 1688 management 1 day and 8 days for them to refund that money automatically. So if you fall under the category of you asking for refund from your supplier, and supplier is giving you different excuses, maybe to go and cancel the refund or to do modification, don't modify anything, don't cancel it, right? You are going to be refunded. A lot of people have cancelled refund. They Some supplier will even go ahead to go and do what? To go and blackmail them and to go and block their what? Their Alipay account. I mean their 1688 account. They won't be able to have access to the account again. So now this is the common lesson that I wish to show you guys today, so you will not fall under this type of what? Mistake. Now let me show you the conversation between me and this guy this morning, because I have already do what? I've already do the follow up, and I've already talked and talked again with this supplier, but he failed to refund the two monies. Now this is the conversation. Let me just try to screenshot this one and translate it. I don't want this video to be long, right? Like I always say. So now this is let me go to my Google Translator now and show you the excuse that this supplier is giving me here. So if I'm to open my Google, let me just translate this guy. Now this is it. He said, I now ask him that now that your Alipay account is frozen, if I want to buy something else, how will you what? Deliver my order? So I was asking him because he told me that his Alipay account has been frozen. So I now ask him that question. So this is what he replied me with. He said it will be taken care of in 2 days. This guy is trying to play smart in the sense that he's telling me that if I'm to place an order or cancel that refund, the money will be the order will be taken care of, like he's going to order that product, which I don't like. So now I now said okay, I said, should I order it now? Because I now start playing with his head too, because I know that it's not serious. So I now wanted to use that to use it against him whenever this issue escalated to 1688 management, right? So now he now responded. He said it can be shipped. He now tell me that this order can be shipped. So he now said I should do what? I should cancel. I should cancel. I now ask him that this is my own conversation. I asked this guy that should I cancel it, like I should go and cancel that refund and do what? And order the rest. He said yes. So he's automatically luring me to go and cancel that order. So the refund will go back, or the days of him to refund that money will be extended. So the common lesson for today's tutorial is what? If you fall under this category, just don't modify, don't cancel refund. The order will be refunded in just 1 day. Like, just wait till it's going to be lapse. They are going to give the supplier 5 days maximum to confirm that order and refund your money back to you. So don't go and do anything at all. Just leave the refund there under this refund session. You will definitely come back and get your money, right? So this is what I wish to share with you today. If you find value in watching this very tutorial, kindly smash that subscription button, like it, share it, and also comment. Give me some positive reviews. And what we are available for procurement, sourcing, buying items from eBay, any Chinese app, any shopping apps. We can help you run Facebook adverts and do what? We are also available for complete mini importation training, right? So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.